Yan guys, dumating na yung order ni Amo na pang, iwan ko, is it fall protection from droplets, sprays, and splashes. Oh my god, all over UV protection, SPF full face, sunscreen, cream, low light blocking coating, anti-fog coating. Oh, this is good, baby. Comes with convenient carrying bag. Oh, that's cute. So you have to unbox this one later.
And look on the top, it's a circle. Maybe that will be like that.
Yeah, on top of it, it look like it's not a circle, baby.
It's an
Oval. Yeah.
Maybe it's gonna be an oval.
So you have to unbox this one later.
I don't know what this is, but
And?
I'm gonna open it to try and find out.
What do you think it is?
I don't know, but something round.
Something round? Okay, surprise. Mama said this is for you and for Yaya.
It's a face shield,
It's a face shield.
but instead of a mask, it can cover.
Okay, take off this one, your fake glasses.
It can cover your whole face.
Yeah.
But instead of just a mask covering half, you can see all.
Okay, show me this one. How to put this. Oh, there is something for the nose, right?
Yeah.
Show me. Oh my. It's so cute. Show me. So if I wear my glasses, so I can do that.
Like that.
Like that. Yeah. For Yaya. Yay! Yuma. Is the same size?
Yeah.
Wow. You like it?
Yeah.
Instead of
And then
a mask. Oh, this is our new. What do you call this one?
face shield.
Face shield. Wait.
And they come with these. So they're basically like glasses.
Yeah.
Like mine. They're basically like glasses.
Yeah. So
But they're bigger and you can design them like this.
yeah, there is something for the nose, right?
Yeah, even for glasses.
Yeah, even for that. This girl is wearing a fake glasses from Harry Potter, the DIY. So now guys, dumating na yung order ni Amo na pang ano yun, what do you call this one?
Face shield.
Face shields, okay? So, guys, para kaming mga papunta ng, we are going to the moon, right? So,
Are we going to the moon?
we look like we're going to the moon. Shh! Don't tell Mama that we are going to the moon. Okay, again. He's going to the moon.
I'm an astronaut.
I'm the astronaut. I'm a welder. Right? But I love it, baby. Because I can see my face. Right? Wait! Naughty. What is it?